Hannah, do you like your new puppy? Yeah? Tell me more. Is it soft? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, it's better than the other one, right? Oh, really? It's better because look, you can sit up. Yeah. Yeah? Oh, okay. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, I love you. I love you, little smiles. Yeah. Oh, gorgeous girl. Yeah. Yeah? What are you telling Mama? What are you telling Mama? Yeah? Oh, let's see your cute little feet. Oh. Yeah? You're talking like a big girl. Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody. Yeah. Good job.